How meditation can improve anxiety disorders. Meditation is a great tool for anybody who has ever suffered from anxiety. The primary goal of meditation is to clear your mind and to be able to bring your attention to the present moment. We want to guide you in creating an aura of peace, surrounding yourself and creating a safe place in your mind where you can escape if things get overwhelming, without detaching yourself from the world or your life. Generalized anxiety disorder is very common in today's world. Many of us find ourselves overwhelmed by the things going on around us, and seek to find comfort and control when we feel our security is being threatened. In learning to utilize meditation, we are providing ourselves with a very useful tool that we can access during any situation. We can remember to breathe mindfully and keep our attention on the present moment, rather than succumbing to panic attacks or hysteria. Anxiety disorders can be complex and can manifest in many different ways. Often, anxiety can cause sleep disturbances or result in shallow and unrestful sleeping patterns. Fortunately, meditation has been proven as a way to help us to sleep more soundly. It helps us to process the stresses that we feel on a daily basis, so that they are not creeping just below the surface, when we finally get a chance to lay down and relax our bodies. Meditation is a way to help us to train our minds. People with anxiety disorders can very much benefit from this type of training. It can be easy for our thoughts to go astray, and when this happens, it can be very confusing and even a little bit scary. Fortunately, utilizing techniques like mindfulness meditation can help us to stay focused on the here and now, rather than following the uncertain path that our thoughts might take, should we begin to experience anxiety. This tool is incredibly beneficial to sufferers of anxiety, and can be practiced until strengthened fully. Whether or not you suffer consistently from anxiety, or it only creeps up on you once in a while, learning how to practice mindfulness meditations is incredibly useful. A good way to begin is to simply close your eyes for a moment and focus on your breathing. What does your body feel like as you breathe? How quickly are you inhaling your breath? What sounds do you hear around you? The practice of meditation will help you subconsciously move your attention away from the thoughts that trigger anxiety, and refocus them to seeing and believing in positive vibrational, cognitive pathways. Over time you will train your mind to relearn neural patterns and create new ones in their place. Once this is completed, you will find yourself elevated from the sinking feeling of starting to feel the anxiety. These triggers that consistently come upon you will no longer be able to resurface. The drowning feelings that you once experienced will no longer become predominant in your daily life, as a result of the practice of meditation. Thank you for joining us today, precious soul. We hope we have helped you on your journey to enlightenment using the ancient practice of meditation. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel for more inspiration, affirmations, and inspired teachings.